Hi everyone, my name is Austin. I am here today to talk about the pale blue dot that we call home. It has everything unique, large, and fragile that you can find out about any other planet on the solar system. Large quantities of water. I believe it is 70% water and 30% landmass. The hard part is that it is very fragile ecosystem that we need to continue protect. This video shows how important and unique that our planet is and how much it means to us. It is home to me and over 7 billion people on this planet. And as a person who personally loves water and the ocean, it is important to take care of where you live and the environment you live in. I think the reason this video is in our class is because environment is in the name of the class course. I think it is an important part of learning about geology to also learn to take care of the earth along with it. One of the biggest problems that we have right now is global climate change and global warming. I think it's a very big issue in society that we should be addressing more. I think as a global community, I think it's something that we're definitely striving towards and going forward with. However, as the United States, I definitely think we've taken a few steps back in recent years. It's something that I think we should move forward with and put a lot of effort and resources with as a community and as a country and as a global society. Something that Dr. Sagan said stood out to me is to preserve and cherish this pale blue dot is the only home we have ever known. As a community, I think it's important to realize that we've only have one Earth and that we should continue to preserve it. And I'm not saying we all should go out and buy a bunch of hybrid cars and Teslas, but doing small things like recycling, carpooling, driving less, reusing our plastic bags, or even getting reusable cloth bags. Some small stuff, not putting millions of dollars out of your pocket into something, but I do think that is an important issue, and I think that this video definitely covers that.